one of the things that I would say would make a lot of sense for Elon Musk as he goes forward is I think there needs to be a Twitter, almost Supreme Court. Let me explain what I mean by this idea of a Twitter Supreme Court. You could have, again, 33% Democrats, 33% Republicans, 33% independents, however you want to classify it. But what you need is someone who will stand on principle and precedent. And what Bari Weiss does a really good job of laying out here, I believe, is the fact that there was no consistency of principle applied. The Ayatollah of Iran could come out and say, hey, we've got to crush the Jews and the Israel state. Nothing happens to him. There were actual calls for violence, explicit calls for violence. The Taliban, for heaven's sakes, has a Twitter account. None of them got banned, but Donald Trump did. If there were going to be a banning process, and I'm not in favor of it, because I think if you're an elected official, we should want more of your speech. Because, again, I'm not sure that Trump benefits at all from having a Twitter account, but if we believe in democracy, we should want our elected leaders to speak as frequently as possible so we can judge them on all of their opinions. But what I would suggest is that Twitter, under Elon Musk, put in place a Supreme Court of Twitter to review the decision-making that is going on inside of Twitter and make it, maybe you have to have a unanimous decision in order for someone to be banned so Democrats, Republicans, and independents can all agree on what the precedents that are being set are, and those debates should occur in the light of day, almost like Supreme Court cases. You have these people who are in charge of making decisions on Twitter, have a public trial, have a real discussion about the choices that are being made there in the light of day so that those arguments and those precedents can be applied more freely and more consistently in the future.